guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a blessed week or blessed weekend. It's spring in South Africa and it feels divine. So guys, for today's video I am back with another hair mask. So for this hair mask you will need 1 egg. Let's hope that your parents won't throw you out of the house for this. You will need honey. I have some a little bit, not old, but leftover honey, so I think I'm rather going to use this first. You need an old container. I have this old developer for hair, so I'm going to throw my mixture in there. Then you will need some castor oil, and you will need mayonnaise, and of course some spoons to just mix it. So this is a hair mask. It's extremely good for the hair. I will rather I'll put it on the screen, the benefits of all of this ingredients that I'm going to use, or I'm going to leave the benefits in the description below. Then you guys can just read through the benefits of all of these ingredients. It's extremely good for the hair. And for my hair, I feel that I lack moisture, I lack shine, I lack all of those things. So let me just show you how I'm first going to show you how I make the mixture. Then afterwards you can apply it. I have this old dress on, so put on something old if you're going to try this mask. Don't put on nothing fancy, just put something old. So I think I'm first going to show how I'll make the mixture. Let's put the camera like that. Egg. Okay guys, so that is basically the mixture. It's 1 egg, like let's say 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I will leave the ingredients below in the description, and also the benefits of all the ingredients for your hair. And then you just mix it like I showed you guys. You just mix it until it's this nice oh, it looks like, oh, but it's good for the hair. So I think to do this, it's best to section the hair, because this can be a messy story. So you guys can either do it in the bathroom directly over the bath. I think that is much better, but for me I need to do it here to show you guys how I'm going to apply mine. So if you feel that your hair is dry, it lacks moisture, it lacks shine, you have breakage and you're not sure why you have breakage, if you color your hair a lot, if you one of those people that doesn't want to trim on a regular basis, let's take out the earrings, all of those things, this will definitely boost the hair. It will bring back shine, it will make it feel healthy, it will break off less. So I'm just combing through the hair. So let's start at the bottom. Section the hair like this. Just wrap this hair up. Whatever grips or pins you have. If there's hair falling out, just bobby pin it. Then I think we are going to start at this bottom here. Okay, so get an old towel. I think for me, let's do it like this. Let's do this. Take another one and just grip it close. So Woo, this is going to be a very messy story, but I think it's much better to throw it in a container, but I'm not sure if I will be able to do this without messing. So let's see. I'm going to put an old book here at the bottom now, and I'm going to try and throw all of this. Let's see if it's going to work, and I think I'm going to miss. Oh no, it's working. Ooh. So if you have an old container like this that have a opening where you can apply directly on the roots, and this is for the entire head, roots right until the ends, especially the ends, because remember guys, the ends is the oldest hair on the head, so which means it's more brittle. It will always have split ends. And if you are watching this video, if you're watching this video and you are trying to grow out your hair, you need to go for regular trims, especially if you are using heat. And even if you're not using heat, even if you're natural, and you need regular trims, because this hair is old. The ends is always old. If you tie it a lot, if you put it in buns, if you comb it too roughly, if you comb your hair when it's wet, if you make hairstyles that's too tight, if you don't have silk pillowcases, even the way you're sleeping, there's a lot of things that can basically give you split ends. Not only heat, it depends how you work. So let's do this. I threw it all in here. Oh my god, that feels... I'm pressing it out. If you want to apply this with gloves, by all means you can. I'm just applying, I'm literally focusing on the roots now, but after this I'm going to bring it down. So I think I don't need to show you guys all of this. This is pretty much it. Places like that on the... Oh my god, that feeling. Oh, that feeling is disgusting. So I'll see you guys in a bit when my hair is fully done. Let's do this. Guys, I'm back. As you can see, my whole head, don't know if you guys can see, I applied the mixture from the roots right up until the ends of my hair, and then I just put it up. So I'm going to keep it on for 20 minutes, and then I'm also going to apply jollies. Then I'm going to apply this bag just to apply heat, because the hair must feel beautiful when it comes out of it. So if you don't have old bags like this, you can either use foil or you can use the cling wrap. So let's put this on. Press out all the wind. Use a pin just to grab the bag. You can also use an old scarf over either over your sake or your bag. You call it a bag, sorry, not sake. Either over your bag like this, or your foil or your cling wrap. So you can keep it on for 20 minutes, and then you can rinse it. You first rinse it completely, and please do not rinse your hair with warm water, because there's egg in this mixture. So obviously if you're going to rinse your hair with warm water, the egg is literally going to bake in your hair, and you do not want that. So rinse your hair with cold water. Even if you're watching this and it's winter by you, or it's spring, summer, you need to rinse it, unfortunately. Or it doesn't need to be ice cold, but it needs to be cool. It can't be warm, no heat. So please rinse it with cold water. Otherwise, you're gonna have a completely baked egg in it between the hair, and you don't want that. So rinse it with cold water until it's completely out. Then you can go back to your lukewarm water for your shampoo and your conditioner as per normal, and you can style your hair as per normal after that. For me, I'm going to also, speaking about natural, I have decided that I think I need to go natural up until Christmas Day, which is the 25th of December, because I want my hair to breathe from all this heat styling and all of this heat flat irons and curlers and everything that I have, because the hair just needs to breathe. And especially now in spring and summer days, you need to take advantage of the warm days, and even the heat can also damage your hair. So the more moisturized, if that's the right word, your hair is, the more mask, the more deep conditioning, whatever you guys do in your hair routine, the better it is when it comes to summer, even in winter also. But I think I'm going to take advantage of that and go natural for basically for 2 months. Oh my god, it's going to be, I feel that it's going to be hard, because I hate doing the same hairstyles every single day. I like to change. Then it's curly, then it's natural, then it's flat iron curls, then it's curler curls, then it's straight hair. And so this 2 months is going to be, but I feel that it's going to be worth it. So for all the natural girls out there, I take my hat off for you to rock that hairstyle and that curls and your curly hairstyles every day. I absolutely love it. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to get me some nice mousse, nice oils for my hair, nice curling gels and everything. Auntie Jackie's, that is my favorite. So I'm going to invest in that and go natural for 2 months. Anyway, guys, let's not make this video long. So I'm keeping this on for 20 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I took a shower, I did what I have to do, and then I rinsed my hair and then I washed it as per normal. So I just want to show you guys how my hair looks. Look at the ends. It doesn't look unhealthy. I go for regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks. So that's how the scalp looks. Don't know if you guys can see. My scalp looks clean. Let me just open it. You can see it's clean. It's not complete. It's not very wet. It's like halfway dry. It feels a bit softer. But the thing is, if you are going to do your hair after this mask, like style your hair, then you will be able to see properly if they shine, and if it doesn't feel or look dry, then you will be able to see. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you try this mask at home. It have a lot of benefits. I will leave it below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all my videos, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which is Instagram, TikTok, where I post on a regular basis, and on Twitter and Facebook by my page Little Rubies. So until next time.